Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming October 8th trading session. In front of you, you can see that I have the economic calendar as you would expect. Couple of interesting facets to the session today. We have the UK releasing monetary policy statement and the official bank rate, which of course could move the FTSE and the pound. And then later we have the FOMC Meeting Minutes, which could give us some insight as to what the Fed was thinking when they did not raise rates a few weeks ago. So having said that, let's take a look at some of the charts. Ultimately, when the FOMC speaks, the S&P 500 has to listen. Looks like we're going to try to get to 2,000 during the session on Wednesday, but can we break above there? That's the real question. 2020 is the last vestiges of resistance. It does look like we're going to try that. So what we're going to do is step into short-term charts, look for small pullbacks that show signs of support, and buy short-term calls. The US dollar has fallen below the 1.30 level against the Canadian dollar. Now, it's not completely out of the support zone yet, but this is pretty significant. This shows real weakness. Interestingly enough, though, the way we want to play this particular currency pair isn't through this currency pair itself. It's through the next chart. You can see that the WTI crude oil market has broken higher during the day again. We have made a fresh new high. We have officially made a higher high. From the swing bottom here to this high and higher lows, and then now we are above there. That is technically a higher high. Now, we would not get overly aggressive until we clear the $50 hurdle, because that's obviously a large round number that will attract quite a bit of trading. But if we get some type of breakout above 50, then at that point in time, it's a call buying opportunity, and for that matter, more or less going to be a trend change. If we pull back from here and find signs of support, we'd be willing to buy calls down there as well, but that might take a couple days to play out. Once we break above 50, then going to the aforementioned Canadian dollar chart, we could start buying puts. And with that, we've taken a look at the October 8th trading session.
This review is brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.